Hey, what's up? Today we're going to talk about adding a personal touch to your emails, literally. I'm going to show you how to add a profile photo to your emails in ActiveCampaign. To get started, open up a campaign you're working on or create a new one in ActiveCampaign. Once you're in the content editor, you see this toolbar with various options for customizing your email. What you want to do is you want to drag image, and you can drop it anywhere you like. Let's just leave it up here. This will allow you to upload an image. This is where you'll add your profile photo. Simply select the photo you want to use and upload it to your email. All right, so you can place the profile photo anywhere in your email, at the top, next to your signature, or wherever it feels right. So once the photo is in place, you can adjust its size and position. Click on the corners of the photo to resize it and drag it to move it around with your email layout. Make sure it fits well with the rest of your content. And before you finalize the email, preview it to see how the photo looks on different devices. ActiveCampaign lets you see how your email will appear on both desktop and mobile. So send yourself a test email to make sure everything looks good and the photo appears as expected. So once you're satisfied, go ahead and send your email campaign. So when people see your face, it helps to humanize your emails, making your communication feel more personal and trustworthy. So if you haven't tried ActiveCampaign yet, you can grab a free trial by clicking the link in the description. Go ahead, give your emails that personal touch. I'll see you in the next one.